Ascent equipment provides a turnkey solution, a fiber laser welder seamlessly integrated with the Cobot arm and safety caging. Fiber laser welding cobots represent a significant leap forward in metal fabrication, combining the extreme speed and precision of a high-power fiber laser with the flexibility and user-friendliness of a collaborative robot, Cobot. Unlike traditional, rigid industrial robotic cells, which can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and demand complex programming, a fiber welding Cobot allows fabricators to hand-guide a laser torch into place and commence production on day one. Key advantages of fiber laser Cobots. Extreme speed. Fiber lasers weld up to 4x faster than traditional TIG welding and significantly faster than MIG, drastically increasing throughput. Minimal heat and distortion. Because the laser concentrates energy onto a highly focused point, the heat-affected zone, HAZ, is tiny. This eliminates warping and deformation common when welding thin metals such as stainless steel or aluminum. No post-weld grinding. Laser welds are incredibly clean and aesthetically pleasing directly off the line. This saves hundreds of hours of tedious post-weld cleaning, brushing, or grinding. Dissimilar materials. They can seamlessly join materials that are traditionally difficult to weld together, such as copper to aluminum or brass to steel. Intuitive, no-code programming. Most systems, like Hirebotics Beacon or Productive Robotics Blaze, feature drag-and-drop tablet software. An experienced manual welder can learn to program a complex weld path in minutes by simply physically moving the robot arm. Ideal use cases. Fiber welding Cobots fill the middle ground of fabrication. They are perfect for job shops and manufacturers that handle high-mix, low-volume production, prototypes, or repeat batches of thin-gauge sheet metal assemblies where aesthetic appearance is critical. From handheld to automation. Flex Lathe Cobot Cart. Flex Lathe Cobots merge the capabilities of Flex Lathe laser systems with collaborative robotics to support high-mix manufacturing. We've evolved handheld laser-based cobotic welding into a fully automation-ready solution. The laser power source and the Cobot arm are controlled via the Teach pendant, rather than with separate controls as seen in other systems. The result is a smooth, programming-ready, highly efficient laser welding platform designed for real-world production environments. Built on a mobile cart, the system can be brought directly to the work area and features an integrated laser enclosure that delivers Class 1 safe operation. For more information, ascentequipment.com and dov@ascentg.com.